Hey, hope you're having a great day so far. Today is December 1st, Tuesday, and on this post, I'll be talking to you about the overall crypto markets before diving into some of the charts for Bitcoin price action, see what has changed since my last post. I'm going to be sharing with you today my bullish and bearish case scenario, as well as the short-term price prediction on this market according to what I'm seeing on the charts. Before we begin today, if you guys are watching me on YouTube, do subscribe. If you guys are watching me on TradingView, do follow me as I'll be keeping you updated on the latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. If you guys do want to support me and don't already have a Webull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're still giving away 4 free stocks now instead of 3 upon a successful sign up and a qualifying deposit. And I will also receive a referral bonus if you guys sign up under me. Please do also read my full disclaimer below. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I am purely sharing my own speculations and opinions on this market. I cannot tell you the future, and you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market as it is extremely risky and volatile. If you guys have any questions or comments, please do only leave them in the comment section below. I will get to them a lot faster that way. Now let's see what exactly is going on in the markets first. Before diving into Bitcoin price action, I would like to know where the money is trending into. Would it be Bitcoin, altcoins, or neither? Currently, we do have Bitcoin price action, Bitcoin dominance, at about over 63%. Increased just a little bit from yesterday, and we can see why, because we do have altcoins coming down a lot more than the Bitcoin price action today. Altcoins total are down over 5%, while Bitcoin price action down over 4%. So altcoins are outpacing Bitcoin right now in the downward price action. Now, something I'm paying attention to on the Bitcoin dominance chart will be the daily price action on that chart, because it does look like it is having a bearish retest. However, if Bitcoin dominance does break that daily simple moving average, it is currently right under. I could expect worse trading opportunities for altcoins. However, if it does come back down the other way and continue down that falling broadening wedge, I can expect better trading opportunities for altcoins. We're going to see if which of these two are going to be true. Now, let's dive right into Bitcoin price action and see what exactly is going on today. So, since the last time I posted, which was about 2 days ago, I had mentioned possible bearish divergence on the daily time frame because we had created a pretty high reading on the RSI charts, and now it does look like this high on the RSI on the price action chart has not been able to negate this RSI reading with the bearish divergence. So it was not a significant enough move to actually negate the bearish divergence, and it does look like it's actually playing out right now, and it has almost retreated almost to the daily 21 simple moving average again. So we're going to see how this price action plays out, because it could be pretty dangerous, not just on this chart, but on the 3-day time frame as well. So on the 3-day time frame, I do see if we actually close like this within the next even 25 minutes or so, that could spell bearish divergence on the 3-day time frame. And when bearish divergence happens on a longer and higher time frame, I can expect a pullback that sustains longer, because remember, if we get even one red candle, a small pullback on the 3-day time frame, that is still 3 days worth of pullback on average. Okay, so something I'm going to be keeping my eyes out on, especially if it closes within the next 25 minutes. Okay, now these are some bearish signs both on the daily and 3-day time frame that could take a lot of the altcoins down with it if Bitcoin price action pulls back this time again, such as like what we saw last week. Okay, when we saw that price action went all the way down from about 19.5k to almost about 16.2. So not something that I'll be ignoring. Another thing that also looks bearish is that we do have a rising wedge appearance mostly on the daily time frame. If this rising wedge actually plays out, which is 60% chance of breaking down, the measured target would be about 14.8k. Okay, that's going to be a pretty steep fall. Do I think it's going to get there? I don't know. We're going to have to take it level by level, because there are quite a bit of moving averages that are right underneath the price action now. However, if this bearish divergence on the 3-day time frame does play out, the possibility of price action breaking all the way down to the 21 moving average, simple moving average on the 3-day chart is not out of the question, okay? As we have seen last week when we got bearish divergence on the daily time frame, it fell back to the next immediate simple moving average on my chart, okay, which is the daily 21 simple moving average, okay? So according to that reasoning, it is not unreasonable to say that if we actually get bearish divergence on the 3-day time frame, there is still a possibility that price action can come all the way back down to the next simple moving average on this time frame. And on my chart, it would be the 21 simple moving average, as I have always been using, which is currently the blue line right here, currently at about 14.3K. So quite a steep drop. I'll be very cautious and have my risk management in place. Okay, now that is the evaluation of the current situation right now. What do I think are the bullish and bearish case scenarios? Bullish case scenario is obviously we have to avoid this rising wedge from happening. 40% chance of it breaking upwards, 60% chance of it breaking downwards. Okay, so there's still 40% chance that this might not be bearish, but I would take into consideration of both sides of the market, okay, because the bearish side is still at a higher probability. So if we actually negate the breakdown of this rising wedge pattern, that would be the bullish case scenario. It is also possible that we get a slight pullback here, or even on the 3-day time frame, and we continue upwards. If the bulls show up, if they do not, then this would trickle down to my bearish case scenario, which is basically just a breakdown of this falling wedge pattern. Look, I don't think it is possible that the price action does not meet its measured target. Okay, it's only theory, but it's still a possibility. So these are my bullish and bearish case scenarios for today. Let me know if you guys found it helpful. Give me a thumbs up if you guys did. Let me know agreements, disagreements, feedback. I'd love to hear them. I hope you guys manage to risk carefully. And if you guys would like to see any more of my most recently uploaded videos, you guys can check out my links up here on YouTube. I'll see you next time.